The 8-9 trend has popped up as the latest attempt to replace the 6-7 trend in late 2025. The 8-9 meme refers to a variation of the 6-7 meme where people wave their hands sideways or with their palms facing down as a way of parodying the viral 6-7 meme. Several internet users have coined the 8-9 and the sideways hand motion as the antidote to 6-7 memes. This suggests that the 8-9 meme is not trying to dethrone 6-7, but trying to fix everyone's obsession with it. While the exact origin of 8-9 memes is unknown, an early example is a September 9th video by TikToker Pablo699, who posted a supernatural meme showing Sam telling Castile that 6 is afraid of 7 because 7 ate 9.
Prime numbers can be intimidating.
Because 7, 8, 9.
This early post cleverly connected 8-9 to the classic "Why was 6 afraid of 7" joke, giving the number some actual context beyond just being a random 6-7 replacement. The 7-8-9 setup provides a reason for 8-9 to exist that other number memes don't have. On October 19th, TikToker YMSquix posted a video mimicking the 6-1 meme, repeating the 8-9 for over 1 minute. The video gathered over 8 million views and 200,000 likes in 2 months. This video straight up copied the format from another 6-7 replacement, showing how these memes built off of each other. 5 days later, even corporate accounts started jumping in. A video was posted of a cashier at KFC saying 8-9, and when food chains start posting about it, you know a meme has hit a certain level. The meme is either at its peak or it's about to die. The meme really took off in November with 2 popular uploads, one of a man standing in his kitchen, and one video showing kids saying 6-7 to the Grinch at Whoville in Universal Studios Hollywood, prompting him to squat down, wave his hand sideways, and say 8-9.
6-7. 8-9. No. Hey, that's actually a good one.
Got him!
This video gathered over 5 million views on Reels and 200,000 views on TikTok. This video became huge because it showed a perfect face-off between 6-7 and 8-9. With the Grinch representing everyone who was sick of 6-7. There's a real reason for 8-9 to exist beyond just wanting to replace 6-7. First, the 7-8-9 connection gives it an actual hook that other memes like 4-1, 56, 6-1, and 9-3 don't have. And secondly, the Grinch video gave everyone a perfect story moment where 8-9 directly challenged 6-7, creating something people could actually get behind. The Grinch as a character who hates stuff is the perfect face for a meme trying to kill another meme. And what meme do you want me to explain next? Let me know in the comments down below after you hit the subscribe button.